How to cheaply make a dream supercar at home. Using prepared files for 3D printing. Original scale and reduced scale for children. Using a regular 3D printer, need to print out the body parts and glue them together. An example of our client from Canada. Bugatti Divo was 3D printed in parts, and the printed parts were connected together with superglue. The technology is the same further. Having assembled a layout from parts printed on a 3D printer, it is necessary to make fiberglass molds for further production of the fiberglass body. 3D printing is also a great option, and you need to make missing parts of a car, as did another our client from the USA. We prepared bumper files and other files for him. He printed the bumper on a 3D printer and installed it on an original Lamborghini Murcielago. Then he will make a finished carbon parts using these printed pieces. You can get digital files of any car you want to build on our web store.
Welcome!